But for now, let's get out to ABC 10's Alicia Machado live in Sacramento. Keep in mind, Monica has been warning about this storm for days now. So, Alicia, how are folks preparing?
Well, Chris, just a bit of a sprinkle coming down here in Land Park right now. But as you heard Monica say, this rain and winds are expected to pick up as the night continues. Out here, though, the big concern from local officials that I spoke with for this storm as it picks up is going to be localized flooding, as well as down trees and limbs like you can see right here. We found crews who were out around Sacramento earlier today clearing up debris and fixing up trees that could be a problem, also clearing any drains ahead of this storm. Crews hard at work clearing trees in Sacramento as stormy weather comes our way. Clouds darkening the sky Wednesday as a storm is expected to bring rain and strong winds, the heaviest forecasted to come in overnight. Those winds creating concern for trees or limbs to come down that could lead to possible power outages.
We're in a good position for this storm because we have been preparing all year long. We've got extra crews on hand.
Last year's storms around New Year's brought down trees across Sacramento. And although this one isn't expected to be as strong, crews working ahead to keep the trees from becoming a problem. Also clearing drains, as the storm could cause flooding. And residents can also help make sure drains are free of debris.
So before the rain falls, get out in front of your property, clear the gutters, and make sure that there's only rain down the drain.
Sacramento County residents filling up sandbags, one scoop at a time to prepare.
It's better to be safe than sorry.
Plenty. We have more than enough. So if anybody of our neighbors needs some.
Last year, floodwaters flowed through parts of Sacramento County, streaming into the Wilton area and covering part of Highway 99, floods that proved deadly. While officials tell us the rivers aren't expected to be a problem this storm, Sac Metro fire crews are ready to respond if swift water rescues are needed this season, also urging residents to heed this important warning.
If you do encounter standing water, don't drive through it, turn around. We say turn around, don't drown, because we can't tell you how many times we've had vehicles that go through standing water. They get stuck, now they're trapped, and they need us to come out to rescue them.
A very important warning there. Can't stress that enough. And Sac Metro Fire says if you live in a flood-prone area, make sure to have an evacuation plan. Figure out 2 routes in order to get out of your neighborhood if floodwaters do end up coming down or you get that evacuation call from our emergency responders. Also, if you do see floodwaters, call 311. Chris, Laura?
That's right. We're not trying to scare people. We just want everyone to be prepared. Alicia, thank you.